How to turn on ghost mode on Snap Map. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Snapchat on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Then click on the pin location at the bottom left corner of your screen, which will lead you to Snap Map. In here, click on the gear icon at the top right, which will give you this option. Click on Allow. Make sure your location is turned on, so press on Turn On. After you do that, it will lead you to this page again and press on gear icon at the top right corner of your screen. Now you'll find Ghost Mode. Simply click on Ghost Mode. Then you'll find all these options pop up. Click on Until I Turn Off. After you do that, you're good to go. This is how to turn on Ghost Mode on Snap Map. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want